Hey guys, Taylor here with Agri Spray Drones. So we just did a whole bunch of swath width testing on the Agras T40. We did what's called the string test. We had a consultant agency. They do a lot of aviation swath width testing. They came in and we did 28 different tests with different settings. We tested different heights, different speeds, different rates as far as gallons per acre, different spinner disk speeds, so your droplet size settings. We tested downforce, so what does it do with a gallon versus 5 versus 10 in the tank. And we tested different DRAs, reduced drift. We tested a bunch of stuff here. And all of this is available to all of our customers on our customer resource folder. A ton of data, a ton of information, lots of videos from us, lots of opinions as far as what we're going to be doing for our settings. This is all available to all of our customers, but for you guys here on YouTube, just wanted to give a quick sneak peek and a one quick tidbit, I guess, preview of some of this testing here. So this right here is the swath number 4 here. This is the test for extra fine, not droplet sizes on the Agras T40, flying at 23 feet per second. And notice your curve right here. This represents your different passes. This is the average right here. This is your CV value based on whatever swath that is determined right here. And then right here, test number 5. This is extra fine droplets, 2 gallons per acre, just like the top one there. But this is flying at 32 feet per second. Very consistent pattern, but look at how much drift we've got. We had drift well past our 75-foot string that could not even be recorded, essentially. And so, kind of just quick thoughts right here, I guess I should say. If you guys are looking at a T40 for row crop situations, doing fungicide or especially herbicide, extra fine droplet size settings, never use those, ever. Insecticide, okay, that's probably okay because it doesn't necessarily matter too much as far as pass to pass drift. But fungicide, herbicide, definitely never fly full speed with the extra fine droplets. And you can fly slower, and that's going to give you a better consistency. But again, we still had drift out past our 35-foot from one side to the next. All right, that's a quick peek for you guys here on YouTube. If you are a customer of ours and you want to see all of the 28 different tests that we did, along with our spreadsheets and everything, you can check out the customer resource folder that you have access to. Reach out to us, and we can give you our opinions as well. Thanks. We'll see you.